Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Bess Pertis Yulo, 31 years old, not married with 3 kids, 9 years old twins and 12 years old son. I am a high school graduate.
Please describe yourself.
I am a hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and responsible person.
If you will get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother will take care of my children.
Please describe your work experience.
I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, from 2019 to 2021. I serve 7 members, 1 couple, and 5 kids, ages newborn, 5, 8, 10, and 12 years old. I do cleaning, cooking, car washing, laundry, and ironing clothes. I also took care of children. I also work in Hong Kong. I serve 4 members, 1 couple, and 2 kids, ages 5 years old and 8 years old. I do cleaning, cooking, marketing, laundry, ironing clothes, and also took care of children.